3-tire water fountain. It comes from up from the top. Yeah, it's got the water got poured in. So when this was built, the water got poured in there, and then it pumps up to the top, and then it goes back down each tire. When it falls down, it goes to the second one, goes to the third one, and then it falls back down into there. These are one of the lines or something like that for the water shoot out. Oh, that's to make the water that comes to pour out. Those people like to put those one of those things in there. So this is where it comes down at. You guys want to see that one? Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I gotta be careful. So right here, look at that. The water comes in. Y'all gotta be careful because sometimes when it's windy, the water's gonna go into my camera. The water's gonna go on. It's gonna go onto your camera if you wish to record. Yeah. Going right there. Oh, also, that's where the water that pumps in there. Yeah, that's where the water pumps in. I'm sure it's inside. Yeah, inside like this one here. This one, and this one. It doesn't even have it. I'm just still recording. Yeah. Oh shit, come out there. Yeah, the water should have come out. Yeah. There's a part of it. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those pumps like this right here. You might see it. You guys can't even see it because there's a water pump here. There's it.